Hey everybody, got a new build. Me and Keith are going to do a buddy build. We both are going to build this Lancer, the Evo 5. We're going to build it, if this was our car, however the way we would want it to look like if we could just build a car. So no real rules, no real time frame, but this is my video into it. Wanted to kind of do a little quick show, make sure you see that I haven't done nothing yet to it. I'm meaning to get this video out sooner, but just kind of been too tired to do any modeling. I actually have a build I have to do a video on. I got the whole build done, never even did a video yet, and just was too lazy to get the camera out and do it. But there is the clear. Nice one-piece window for all of them. Headlights and tail lights. Some nice big fog lights that these ones have. Here is the body. It is molded in silver. I don't even know why they bother, because you can see mold impression. They're not really mold lines, but flow lines, as you would say. So you definitely want to paint it. I gotta look and see if I got some decals sitting around and I want to do it, because I want to make this look a little racy. There is the interior tub and all the rest of the pieces there. You got two steering wheels and they're exactly the same looking. I don't know what the hell the purpose of that is. Well, I guess this one has a little bit more sporty look. It's a little thinner than that, but not by much. There's the brakes and everything. Cool thing about this kit, they do have a mesh. There's the tires, axles, and a little poly caps for the wheels. They always have nice tread patterns on their tires. One of the nice things of these Fujimi kits. There is the rims, exhaust tip, and it looks like mirror backs. And then the rest of the parts. There's not many parts to this kit. No motor, definitely curbside. So there's that. And then you have a very small decal sheet and window masks. Last thing in the box is the instructions. At least they give you a nice little cut diagram of how to do the grills. This car does have a lot of grills, as you can see. So that is a nice detail for that. Some more of the instructions. I kind of want to do mine as a tuner. So I might look at wheels and tires from Hiroshima kits, because the factory wheels are kind of bland. I might use this for a different kit. Like I said, the tires are really cool on these. They got nice treads. So we'll see on that. So Keith, I'm going to message you probably before I post this, but that way you can get your video out. I know you got a lot of group builds you're doing, so don't be in a big rush. Just let me know when you want to post your videos. I'll post them around the same time. I am going to probably just film doing this, and we'll just correlate the videos to be the same time being out. So, alright guys, make sure you check him out if you haven't checked his channel out. Subscribe. I'll have the link in the description of his channel. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.